Sipokot Camarines Sur. Principal Roel M. Castuera. Corps Commander Cadet Colonel Jesly Chana C. Katangi. Corps XO Cadet Lieutenant Colonel J. Aaron Tendero. Corps S1 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Sal Miliana. Corps S2 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Gail Jan Orgilio. Corps S3 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Arthur I. Monte. Corps S4 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Anton Carlos Garcia. Corps S6 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Danilo Ginoo. Corps S7 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel RCJ San Jose. Major Leader Kizel B. Mora. Band Leader Joe V. Iborda. Company Commander Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Odilion G. Arevoliana III. Company XO Cadet Lieutenant Colonel James Oriel Atora. First Platoon Leader Cadet Major James De Los Santos. Second Platoon Leader Cadet Major Angelica Lizel M. Plisidario. ROTC Facilitator Commandant Colonel Felizardo Paul T. Regencia Infantry GSC Philippine Army Reserve. Band Advisor Coordinator Lindon P. Salcedo. Major Advisor Coordinator Nebela Ferrer Robianes. Major Trainer RJ Peña Rigondo. Band Master Trainer Lindon P. Salcedo. Entry number 42 Central Bicol State University of Agriculture Sipokot Campus. Thank you. Entry number 42, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Sipokot Campus, Sipokot, Camarines Sur.
Next entry, entry number 43, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, Nabua, Camarines Sur. School Head, Dr. Amado Oliva Jr., Corps Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Paul Sereno. Corps S1, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Lloyd Buteño. Corps S2, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Ranel Sanchez. Corps S3,